informal letter. Letters. Today we are going to discuss about letter. So, what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. The primary purpose of a letter is communication in written form. Now we'll discuss types of letters. There are mainly two types of letters: formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter is written for business or professional purposes with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are written to government department or businesses. Informal letter. Now we'll understand when to write informal letter. It is used for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tone. Informal letters are written to friends and close family members instead of businesses. Now, let's see how to write informal letter. First, understand the format of informal letter. An informal letter must have 6 things in it. Step 1. Sender's details. Here, the sender's name and address comes. The sender is the one who is writing the letter. Step 2. The date on which the letter is written. Suppose you are writing the letter on 2nd March 2020. You can write it in this way: 2nd March 2020. Step 3 is salutation. Salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear followed by the recipient given name. If the name is of your best friend, you can use bestie. If you are writing to your mother, you can write dear mother. Step 4 is the body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into 3 subcategories: introduction, main content, and summary. The introduction paragraph states the purpose of the letter. The main content conveys all the necessary details, and the last paragraph summarizes the information. This is the general body format of an informal letter. In informal letter, there are certain points you need to remember. Number 1, you should use casual tone while writing the letter. Number 2, you can use contractions here like I haven't instead of I have not. Third, you can use exclamatory sentences. Fourth, you should write in active voice. Fifth, and the most important, there is no such strict rules to divide your body into 3 paragraphs. Please keep these points in mind while writing the letter. Now coming to step 5, complimentary close. It is the way to end the letter. It means goodbye. We generally use yours lovingly or sincerely here. Step 6 is sender's name and signature. Here, the name of sender and his or her signature comes. Let's revise the format of the informal letter again. Step 1 is to write the sender's detail. Step 2 is to write the date on which the letter is written. Step 3 is salutation. Step 4 is body. Step 5 is complimentary close. And step 6 is sender's name and signature. Stay home, stay safe.